At this exact moment, what are you doing? Okay, of course, I know what you're doing right now. You're watching BSE on YouTube and learning English. Hi there, Lindsay here, and welcome to an essential verb tense episode on Bite Size English, your daily bite of English. Today's episode is verb tense focused. Do you know which one we're learning today? Hint, I just used it. The present progressive. Let's go. The present progressive, also sometimes called present continuous, is one of the 12 verb tenses, and it's really common. Like always, when learning grammar, we start with the structure. How we build a sentence with this grammar point. Use me as an example. What am I doing right now? Think of some actions. Great. Talking, teaching, and filming. Now, let's put these actions into sentences. Figure out the structure. Pause if you need to. The structure is subject plus the be verb plus verb ing. So we now have the structure down. But when do we use this? Look at the timeline. When did I start teaching? About 2 minutes ago. So in the past. And now? Am I still teaching? You bet. We use this for actions that are happening at the moment of speaking, and they are not finished. They are continuing. Take a minute to write down 2 personal sentences using this tense. What are you doing? Some possible answers may be, I'm watching BSE right now. I'm listening to Lindsay at the moment. I'm learning English. We can also use this tense for temporary actions or habits, even if it's not happening at the moment. Martin is reading a really good book. Not necessarily right now. I'm working in a bar until I get a job in my field. Not right now. And the bar job isn't permanent. Compare this with the present simple. I work in a school, permanent situation. I'm working in a school. Sounds temporary. The final use might be a little tricky. Do you know why? Read these sentences. These actions aren't in the present. The sentences use tomorrow and next week, which is future. That's weird. Why are we using a present tense for the future? Because English is confusing sometimes. This tense is used for future plans. And in speaking, it's very common to use this tense this way. What are your plans for this weekend? Comment below and let us know using present progressive. Show us you understand. Here are some tips to remember when using this tense. The time words commonly associated are now, right now, at the moment, at present, and this morning, this month, this weekend. A very important rule to remember is progressive tenses only use dynamic verbs, actions. Non-progressive verbs or stative verbs can't be used with any of the progressive tenses. For a list of stative verbs, check out our website, and we'll be sure to do an episode dedicated to these special verbs. We're all done with the present progressive. Remember to comment below and let us know what your plans are for the weekend. Keep up to date by subscribing and get new content by following us on social media. We have new posts every week with cool English tips. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend with your fun plans. See you next week on BSE.